Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a few bits and bobs for the interior, but just going to show you these. Done a little bit extra since the last video, so come and look at this. So what we were planning on doing at one point was actually having curtains at the back doors, but the ply line kit that we bought came with a full set of blanks, even for the back sort of window sections, for if you've got a van that hasn't got windows in. So I thought, ideal, we'll turn that into a bung. So I just carpeted that, put a little knob in the middle of it, and you can just grab hold of that. Pops into the door cavity like so, and you got a complete blackout as if it was a curtain, but without a curtain. And when you're done, just pop it out and you're back to the window again. Absolutely perfect. But yeah, that's one of the things. But the other thing that I've done, just wait for this car to go by, just put the trim around the edge just to complete the window frame after the rear doors have been carpeted, so I think that works quite well. But I'm going to start the tint now, so I'll get started on that and sort of film it while I go, but because where we are, I might actually not do the audio because there's going to be cars going by quite a few times. So first thing we're going to do, because obviously being an ex-builder's van, windows are grotty, so the kit comes with a scraper. I'm going to scrape all the dirt off. So it's all the heavy stuff cleaned off the window. So I'm going to give it a good clean down now, just get rid of any residue, and we'll move on to the next stage. Now this is the special stuff that comes with the kit that they call tint slime. And it's like a super cleaner, but it also works as a lubricant when you're putting it on. So at least that's what it says in the instructions. So that should be as clean as I can get it anyway. So next stage we'll start messing with the tint. So close the door up. Give it a quick spray down. And white. I've already cleaned this quite a few times, but it's still quite grotty, so this extra bit won't hurt it at all. We apply tint. A spray of tint slime. And then we've got the edge. And fill this back. Spray it as we go. And not to fold it up. The idea with spraying the slime on first is it gives you a bit of wriggle room, so when you've got it on you can just adjust the positioning until you've got it bang on with no gaps or ruffled up pieces. But we now get one of the squeegees that's supplied in the kit, and basically got to work all of the moisture off to the edges. So just pushing the slime out of the tint. A couple of ripples. I think we're there. So we'll shut the door so you can actually see the comparison between the two. So that you can see through the reflections. It's fairly clear, but that one is noticeably darker. Probably actually easier to show you that from the inside. So take you around. So it's not a massive difference, but it's just that bit darker, and from the outside you really do notice it a lot more. But yeah, quite impressed with that, so I'll crack on with the next one. So there we go, tint complete. Like I say, you can still see a reasonable amount out, and it's let a bit of light in, which is the main aim of it. But if I was to open just that side door, you can see the difference. And it closes again for us. So there we go, tinting complete. And so compared to just plain outside, yeah, you can see there is a reasonable tint to it. Looks like we don't want to go too dark because we still want some daylight in to be able to see outside. But no, I think that works quite well. So there you go, window tinting complete. I still need to get the other seal for this side because I measured, ordered the silver trim seal, and managed to get about half a metre short, so I've got to order a bit more for that. But that'll come in time, that's not too bad. But yeah, good completed job on it. Would I advise doing it yourself? Yeah, it's not a bad job. There's two things I'd do different. One, I would not have carpeted before I put the tint on, because the pure fact that it's essentially a plastic sheet that's going up, that caused me a problem with actually dragging some fibres in. So there's a few fibres actually sort of trapped inside the tint. Not worried too much because the scratches and bloody everything on the windows anyway from when it was a builder's van, so it's not too bad, but it's functional. Unless you're really close up, you can't really see it. The other thing I probably would do different is with the windows, make sure that you've actually got one of the doors closed and you're working on the other. Because me actually sort of doing it on the one door, then taking it off, moving the door, the wind got up and actually sort of caused a little bit of a crease in that one, which took up a fair bit of actually clearing out. But other than that, yeah, it's easy enough to do. With the kits that you can get, it's not massively expensive. I'll pop a link down below for the place I got it from. The tint itself's really quite cheap, but I bought their starter pack, which was like another sort of 15 quid in total, so you get like the spray and everything like that all built in. Well worthwhile, I think, if you've never done it before. So you've got all the kit, you're not scratching around for stuff. But yeah, quite happy with that. We've been out this morning and bought some curtains as well. They'll be going up soon, but I'll show you a bit and bob on that on the next vlog. But yeah, I think it's all good. Definitely coming together. So hopefully the next one we might even be away, but we'll see how we go. But thanks for watching. Like I say, if you like the video, drop a like down below. Really helps me out. Great for that. And if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe down below, and you'll get to see all the adventures that we keep on going. But thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.